this house right here.
You would be hard-pressed to find a group of men more passionate about our veterans.
And I guess that's just part of our DNA.
Retired Colonel Mike Ross knows about loss.
We lost 36 soldiers, had over 350 with combat-related wounds, and, so it's personal.
Vietnam veteran Mark Diggs knows about pain.
I got a couple Purple Hearts. It was an active 4 years.
The two are among the founders of Veteran Villages of America,
Because the system's not working.
a nonprofit that has helped so many veterans in their 6 years they've lost count.
I will say hundreds.
Among them, Brian, a Navy vet, a man who spends most days fixing up what will soon be his family's home, a home the nonprofit was able to get donated.
Hopefully we can get him in that house pretty soon. And
we're open.
Yeah, you're ready.
But today, Brian's giving back.
You need some help? I'll see if I can go find some.
To other veterans.
Ever since I got on disability, it's the only thing I've ever wanted to do.
He's loading a trailer full of donations.
From people all over.
To take to 3 veteran families in Central Arkansas.
That are sleeping on the floor right now.
The group also helps veterans who don't have reliable transportation. And that's where Dallas comes in.
I'm rebuilding the transmission on it.
A skilled mechanic repairing donated vehicles.
Yeah, I'm kind of returning the favors they did for us.
Now, Dallas says they because, like a lot of combat veterans, he doesn't want the recognition, but he deserves it.
He's got shrapnel coming out of his leg.
Every veteran deserves it.
No veteran left behind.
And Veteran Villages of America is helping them help each other.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
One veteran at a time.
Now get to work.
Yeah.
No.
Gentlemen, it's our pleasure to give you this check for $1,000 with our thanks and a salute to you for helping the veterans of Arkansas through Veterans Village.
We want to thank you for this check, this generous check, so that we can help other veterans.